Hey guys, I'm Joshua with PoolBots.com, and today we're taking a closer look at the Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Cleaner. This unit costs $599 and is part of the Nautilus line of pool cleaners from Dolphin. They were very popular a few years ago. Their popularity has fallen because they haven't kept up with the latest high-performance robots that have full coverage, water line cleaning, cable swivels, and a 3-year warranty. It's interesting that the price has stayed the same on the Nautilus as it gets left behind in its performance. We'll walk you through the performance and features of the Nautilus CC so you can decide for yourself if this is a good buy for your pool. Let's take a look at what all comes with the Nautilus CC. It's pretty lightweight compared to a lot of robot pool cleaners, just 14 pounds. The Nautilus CC comes with this 50-foot rubber cable, but it doesn't have an anti-tangle swivel. Dolphin says it works for pools up to 33 feet. This cable may be short, depending on where you're plugging in your power supply. The power supply is super simple. Although it just has a standard 2-hour cycle you can program the Nautilus CC to run daily or 2 to 3 times a week. The Nautilus CC is a plug-and-play design, so to get it started, just plug it in and drop it into the water. It's very simple. This unit is now designed to clean pool floors and the lower part of the walls. It won't clean the full wall and it won't even reach to the water line. It's a big feature to not have, because there's a reason the water line is called the scum line. It's the dirtiest part of the pool. Without waterline cleaning capabilities, you're left to clean up after this robot pool cleaner. Even though it can clean to the upper wall or water lines, the Nautilus CC will clean the lower walls. You can see these hyper grip tracks on it. These are more effective than slippery wheels. They cling to the surfaces that don't lose traction easily. It's a shame that the Nautilus CC doesn't use these tracks to power up and clean to complete the wall. The Nautilus CC has also something called Clever Clean technology. This is a scanning software that helps the unit avoid obstacles like drains, and it is supposed to determine the most efficient cleaning route for your pool. After watching the Nautilus CC work, the Clever Clean felt like an afterthought. The robot's cleaning route wasn't especially intuitive. Plus, it lingered in the deep end for a lot longer than it needed to. The floor coverage was pretty good, but the wall coverage was mediocre. The Nautilus CC misses large portions of the wall. This isn't a defect in the cleaner, as it's not sold as a full wall or waterline cleaner. So this leaves more manual scrubbing for its pool owner to do. This hyper brush on the front of the unit is one of the keys to great clean. It is actively spinning at twice the speed of the unit itself, and it scrubs while it climbs, then feeds debris into the filtration system. This filtration system is a top-loading fine basket. It's really spacious and especially great at catching twigs, leaves, and grass clippings. But with just one filter media choice, you're limited in your cleanings. Dolphin sells an ultra-fine filter basket that costs extra and that'll give you a deeper clean and catch more fine particles like sand and algae. But the fact that it's an extra purchase is disappointing. If you're looking for multiple filter options, take a look at the Dolphin Premier, Dolphin Sigma, or Dolphin Quantum. Using the power supply is really simple and is programmable, which is a perk for a pool cleaner in this price range. There's no need to manually start the unit every time you want it to do a cleaning job. One downside is that there's only one cleaning cycle option. A standard 2-hour cycle is probably long enough for most pools up to 33 feet, but still, you don't have the option for more customizable pool cleaning, like with the filter media. Operating the Nautilus CC is a mixed bag. On the one hand, it's energy efficient and won't cost you an arm and a leg to operate like a pressure or suction side cleaner. But on the other hand, it doesn't have some important features you really expect from a Dolphin. The 50-foot cord has no anti-tangle swivel. Dolphin may say the Clever Clean technology prevents any tangling building up in the cord. In our testing, it's not nearly as effective as the patented swivel that allows for a 360-degree rotation. As it is, you'll have to keep an eye on the cord and stretch it out straight before it gets too tangled up. The Nautilus CC also comes with a 1-year warranty. This is the shortest warranty we've seen on a $600 cleaner. You'll want to consider the cost of a motor or a power supply outside of warranty. It's easy to spend $200 to $300 quickly on one repair outside of warranty. So, is the Nautilus CC robotic pool cleaner a good buy? Well, we'd say it's a decent cleaner for the price if you don't mind the risk of a 1-year warranty. The cost to maintain a robot out of a warranty can easily reach $200 per year on average. For this amount, you could get full wall cleaning, tile line cleaning, a swivel, and better filtration. If you have $600 to spend on making pool maintenance easier, we'd suggest considering what the 1-year warranty will cost you over 2 years. And if the budget is flexible, you can upgrade for a few $100s more to the Dolphin Quantum or Dolphin Premier. They have multimedia filtration, dual brushes, an anti-tangle swivel, and they cover the entire pool and scrub the water line. As always, you can read real reviews and learn more about the Dolphin Nautilus CC and dozens of other robotic pool cleaners at PoolBots.com. Visit our website to find the best deals, tips, and tricks for pool ownership and special buys that'll help you enjoy your pool to its full potential.